All right, here we go. We got the baseball, football break with the Bo Jackson headliner. 40 spots. This is 1260-04. Good luck. Get down here and grab the list. Copy it. Top spot advances to the main 10. There we go. Break 1260-04. Drop the list in. 40 entrants. Good luck. Roll the dice. Need a minimum of 5. 11 rounds. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, Doyle. 3, Jones. 4, Doyle. 5, Burlingame. 6, Sweet. 7, Sweet. 8, Doyle. 9, Sweet. 10, Doyle. Final round. Joe March. Spot 2. Congratulations, Joe. The rest of you guys, there will be more. Thanks.